Good day, McVeigh, and happy Friday. Good morning, boys and girls. Please stand to honor our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Boys and girls, you may be seated. Okay, let's get to our birthdays. Happy birthday today to Emma Massey in our first grade and Milo Llanos in our first grade as well. Tomorrow, happy birthday to Josh Mahaffey in our fifth grade, Veronica Arias in our third grade, and Jonathan Romero in our fifth grade. And on Sunday, happy birthday to Olivia LaBruna in our third grade, Bonnie Patel, grade 4, and Sabrina Semple in our first grade. All right. So, friends, let's talk a little bit about lunch. Again, you must place your order in the morning. So, in other words, you can't decide at lunch, oh, you know what, I'd rather eat the school lunch than my own. You must place your order for lunch in the morning. And if you come to school late, tell your teacher right away what you want for lunch so that we can get the order placed. And of course, there's no switching. So, for example, today is pizza. If you ordered grilled cheese and then later on you say, I think I really want the pizza. Let me switch. We have to really, really stick to our decisions this year. It's a little bit different than it was in years past. And it's somewhat of a problem when we have all of these lunch confusion things going on when it's time to eat. All right, so let's work together on this. Now, for the Get Smart Show today, I have to tell you, I'm super excited about the projects that we have. I can't really wait to get to all of them today. So I'm going in order, but if you submitted a project, it will make the show. I might start going 2 a day as well, but anyhow, so I have projects. There's a couple of them. So Ranveer, Andrew, and Madeline have combined on projects related to the solar system. Now, there are lots of other projects that we've had about the solar system, about planets or stars, and there's another one as well. Oh, here one. Oscar did one, and I will get to yours too, Oscar. But today I'm going to do one from Andrew, Ranveer, and Madeline. So take a look at this. That is Neptune. What's so cool about the project is, number one, that they drew the planet Neptune. And you notice the background is black. Why? Because it's in space. So they made it very realistic. I also like the way they included the fun facts. It's kind of like the fun facts are part of the solar system. Maybe they're stars or they're meteors or other planets, the way that they arranged them. So I'm going to share some fun facts that they have provided. And we're going to continue to learn more about our universe on the Get Smart Show. So here we go. Did you know that Neptune is billions of miles away from the sun? Billions. How many zeros? Billions. Bi means two, so not try. So bi, billions. So we go millions, billions, trillions. How many zeros in billions? If you said 9, you're right. Yeah, so billions of miles away from the Earth. That is a very, very long distance. But like the Earth, believe it or not, Neptune has gravity. Now, Neptune is a gaseous planet, which means that you really couldn't stand on it. You sink in, it's a planet made of gas. But there is gravity on Neptune. How about this? How did Neptune get its name? Well, like many things in the world, it's from the way it looks. Neptune was the Greek god of the sea, and so that's why it's blue. Right? So when it was first discovered, it was blue, and they named it the Greek god of the sea, Neptune. So they said, of course, Neptune has no solid surface. It's a gas planet, like we mentioned. Neptune is super duper cold. Super cold. How about this, boys and girls? On Neptune, if you were able to be there, it is minus 350 degrees. That's cold. And the wind, you ready? We think it's windy when it's 20-mile-per-hour winds. On Neptune, the winds are around 1,300 miles per hour. Could you imagine? You know how fast? I mean, it would just blow you away. Gone. In a hurricane, if we have a big storm, the strongest winds are usually around 100 miles per hour, sometimes greater than 100 miles per hour. But could you imagine winds 1,300 miles per hour? Neptune, again, is super cold. So, let me see. There's only one moon, but guess how many rings? If you said 3, you're right. So we're going to continue. This is awesome. Oh, and they also gave us a symbol for Neptune. We're going to continue to learn more. They've already given me a project on Saturn. I heard that the Earth is coming next. Can't wait for that. But I love that we're getting smart on the Get Smart Show. Don't forget, because I haven't, Emma George gave us that project on the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. And that's when they're going to be close together in the night sky. And that's on December 21st. That's coming. So we'll be talking about that. All right. For our Getting Smart Through Art, we have this wonderful illustration. I'm not sure if I showed this one yesterday. I think I might have. But just in case I didn't, this one is from Nathalie in room 222. Nice work, Nathalie. How about this one? This is from Stephen Gonzalez. I love that. Good work, Stephen. Look at how it sparkles. The smiley faces. It just is so bucket filling. Good work. It's a gingerbread man. Thank you, Stephen. And so it's time for our Mighty Kind moment of the day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, boys and girls, let me get to my bouquet. Ah, here we go. Here's a lovely thought. You ready? Make smiling your favorite thing. Now, we've talked about this because when you smile, it actually makes you feel good inside and it makes others feel good. So make that your favorite thing to do. Sometimes I walk down the hallway and I just smile at people. Now, it's kind of interesting because with the mask on, you can't tell. You say, I can't tell if somebody smiled, but usually you can tell by their eyes or their body language. So smile. It's good for everybody. And it's one of my favorite things to do. And did you know, boys and girls, if you've ever heard laughter is great medicine? Yeah, smiling and laughing are good for you. They're good for everybody. So keep doing them. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, you're a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.